Hello everyone, I'm Rose from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we're gonna learning ending consonants with Hangul. Actually, on my latest video, we learned whole basic vowels and beginning consonants. For example, we learned these words. I is child. In Korean, I, and this pronunciation is just I. Because here's iung is no sound. This basic vowels is A and E is just I. I is child. But on ending consonants, iung, a pronunciation is ng. Right? For example, look at that. Ka, this is ka, 기역, G plus A is ka. Ka plus ang, ng, kaang. So this is 강. Okay? We're writing 기역 A plus 이응. 강. Okay? And 강 is just river in Korean. 강, this river. River in Korean is 강. And next one, this is 조, because 지읒 is J and O is O. So 조 plus ending consonant 이응 is ng. So this is 종. Okay, we're writing 종. 종 is just bell in Korean. 종. Okay, and last one, 이응 is no sound with beginning consonants of 이응 is no sound. Okay, so this is just basic vowels. 야, right? And 야 plus 이응, ending consonant 이응 is ng. So this is 양. Writing 양. And 양 in Korean is sheep. It's very cute. Sheep in Korean is 양. Okay? So 강 is river in Korean, and 종 is bell in Korean, and 양 is sheep in Korean. Okay? So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.